Hey, what's up you guys, Mark here. Today I'm going to be going over the 4 stocks we have on our $100,000 challenge on WEBULL. Give you guys a little bit of an update. I know it's been a while, I haven't posted. For those of you that don't know, I've actually been fighting COVID for the last 3 weeks. I'm still recovering this week. I'm not 100% yet, but I am getting better. I'm actually talking without coughing every 5 seconds. Yeah, hopefully I fully recover by the end of this week, and we'll get back to our normal routine like we have been. But before I get started, I do want to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is strictly my opinion, not facts. All I'm doing is sharing with you what I'm doing with my account. If you do gain value in the video, please give it a like. If you're invested in the stocks I go over, this video goes over a few of them. Consider subscribing to gain insight on the other plays and stay up to date with new content. Feel free to join my Facebook group page where I share my information almost daily. If you want to stay connected, check out my other social media platforms in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with XNET today. Up here, we just have some bullish information on it. Looking at the company's year-on-year earnings, data shows that the past 5 years, they've had an earnings growth rate of 4.4%. Not much, but it is growing. The 2021 estimate for July earnings is to increase by 73.9%. Significant difference there, and that's by the end of 2021. Short-term indicators assign that the stock has an average of a 50% buy, while medium indicators assign a 50% average buy. For medium term, long-term indicators average place the stock in a category of 100% buy. This is a long-term stock for us. All 4 stocks that we have are long-term. We do expect some growth from them. Anyways, for those of you that are new to the channel, of course, this is how we start out. We got our ascending line of support here in white, our ascending line of resistance in red, and then what I like to call the yellow brick road in yellow. This is our bullish line. If it ever hits this line, we do sell. Anyways, this is our channel that we plan to stay in. We did break out here momentarily, and we're coming back down into this long-term channel that we have, and the price points that we have for it. If we ever test the horizontal line of support here, this is the long-term line of support. I show it with the dashed line. It's at $3.63. We'll buy some more, and then $5.02. We'll buy some more. Right here, when we get in the middle of the channel, depending on what the pattern is for the chart or for the line, we're either going to buy, sell, or hold. Won't know that until we get closer. All our dates are going to be May 17th. Today, what is it today? It's the 26th, so we got some time here. But by May 17th, these are the price action points I expect us to be at. Right here, when we get to the top of the channel, $7.50, I'm going to sell about 20% because I want to lower our average. We bought in a little bit high, $9.05. This might have been a little bit due to FOMO, but I don't usually fall into FOMO, so I think I'm not sure what happened there, but we bought in way too high. And now our average price is around $5, and yeah, we're gonna average down right here. We'll sell a few. So we're gonna sell at a loss at $7.50, but we're gonna average down. We're gonna try and buy down here around the $5 range again. If we have funds to do it, we'll do it now just to average down. But I don't think we have any funds available on our WEBULL account, just because we're in the red, or we've been in the red for a bit. But there is some upward momentum, so keep your hopes up, guys. Don't just have some patience. But yeah, we're gonna sell at a loss here just so we can average down a little bit and hopefully lower that $9 average price that we have down to about somewhere around the $7 range at least, right? That's our hope, right? So at $12.39, if we're super bullish, something just happens to make it explode, we are going to sell at least 20%, and then from there we'll average back down and buy some more at a lower price point. Anyways, that's what we got for XNET. Let's move on to AirNet Technology, ANTE. No news on this stock. I think the most recent news they've had is excuse me for one sec. Like I said, I'm not 100% yet, but I'm getting there. The most recent thing that's happened with AirNet is a month ago. I think their CFO retired, or not retired, they quit due to personal issues, and they were replaced. No bad blood, nothing like that. But the stock is down right now. Actually, today it's up. The stock is up. It hit, looks like a little over $3 at some point today, which is great. We're reaching the bottom of the channel here, and actually this like wedge pattern almost that we've got here, this descending trend line ends on, I want to say between May 3rd. Let's just say May 3rd. That's when the end of this descending trend line is, and it looks like we already broke out of it. So I was expecting it to continue going down, but at least for now we have broken out of that descending trend line, and we have some upward momentum on it. So we got this long-term channel here that we got for AirNet Technology. And here are our price points. $1.53 is where our horizontal line is at, where we'll pick up some more, but our ascending channel here is at $2.24. Our position, we're right in the middle actually, not too bad, a little high, but not bad at all, $3.20. That's where we're at. $3.48, we'll see if we end up buying or selling some stock, depending on how the pattern is. But if we hit the top, oh, this is the wrong color. If we hit the top of this channel at $4.54, we will sell 20%. Let it come back down towards the bottom of the channel, and we'll pick up some more. Now, guys, I want you to keep in mind these price points that I put these on the WEBULL account as I make these videos, or as I post these videos. I set these limit orders or limit sells based on what numbers I'm putting on this chart. So for those of you that are looking for an update, this is the update. I want to make sure you guys know that. $5.89, that's where we're going to sell about 20%, if not more, and let this average down. Yeah, like I said, not much going on for ANTE technology. We're waiting for the planes to, for air travel, really, to, I guess, become popular again. There's not much international travel going on. So when that does pop off, then we'll see this pop off, hopefully, right? Anyways, let's move on to ZOM. Most bullish on ZOM and DPW right now, at least midterm. There's some fun things going on with them, but let's, I know I have some, there we are. So here's some fun facts for ZOM. Guys, the more I talk, the more I'm going to cough. It's just part of the whole COVID thing, so sorry about that. Based on careful fun fact analysis by Wall Street experts, the current consensus on the target price for ZOM is $1.20. Analysis on the target price and performance of the stocks is usually carefully studied by market experts, and the current Wall Street consensus ZOM stock is a recommendation at 2. So basically, in short, there's a 5-to-1 rating where 5 is a sell, 1 is a buy, like a high sell, high buy, 3 is a hold. They're rating it at a 2, which is a buy. For ZOM. So that's again, that's the Wall Street experts, right? Looking at the company's year-over-year earnings, the past 5 years showed a positive earnings growth rate of 8.9% for ZOM. Earnings are expected to increase by 75.1% in 2021. Again, we get another big jump here. We'll see if that happens, but that is great information for those of us that are bullish on ZOM. So anyways, here's where we're at with ZOM. Here's our horizontal line where we would buy some more at 37 cents. Definitely going to pick up ZOM at 37 cents. I think we have enough in our WEBULL account to do that. 76 cents, we'd pick up some more today. They're in the green today. Looks like they got as high as $1.12. So not far off from what the Wall Street people are saying. Our position is at $2 and let's round up to $2.03. We are on the high end of the channel. So we're looking to average down, hopefully, right? So if it hits this $2.22, we're definitely going to sell about 20%, and then try and average down by somewhere around here in the low like 50s, maybe 50 cents. We'll pick up some more, and then on the high, if ZOM blows up, $3.47 is where we we'll sell at least 20%. Its 52-week high is $2.91, so $3.47 would definitely be a good price point to sell at. Again, this is on May 17th. We'll see if it hits that. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, awesome. Let's sell and make some profits, right? Next, last but not least, DPW, Alt Global Holdings. Very bullish on them. Long term, this is a long term stock, like I said, all of them. Let's look at the fun facts here. Looking at the company's year-over-year earnings in the past 5 years, they showed a positive earnings growth rate of 51.5%. Alt Global Holdings earnings are expected to increase by 83.8% in 2021. So what is that? 50, like a 33%, 32% increase, somewhere around there. For 2021, the share price's 52-week low was 0.96 cents, so 96 cents, which indicates that the current value has risen an impressive 59.83% since then. Average daily trading volume, its 10-day average is 3.36 million shares, with the 3-month average coming to 10.59 million shares. On March 25th, Alt Global, I've already given this information to you guys before, but I just wanted to share it again because this is a big part of why we're holding DPW. Announced that its Coolzies Technologies Corp received a $10.5 million purchase order. The order is for 30,000 7-kilowatt residential electric vehicle charging systems. The CEO of Coolzies stated that we believe our EV residential charger product line will be well positioned to address the expected rapid expansion of infrastructure required to support broad adoption of electric vehicles globally. They're always thinking global, hence the name Alt Global Holdings. Purchased 617,000 square foot energy efficient facility in southern Michigan, where they will continue to mine Bitcoin. This is originally why we were bullish on them, because of it was a blockchain stock, or at least one of its subsidiaries was a blockchain company. I think it's like Alt Alliance. And yeah, so it'll be interesting when they finish this facility, which is sometime in July, I think. That's when we should see more movement on them. Honestly, Bitcoin's huge right now, and you know, we'll see what happens, right? So, anyways, let's get to the price points here. Let's zoom. Let's close this out. Okay, price points for DPW right now. All right, so horizontal line and our line of support here, about $1.72. We would pick up some more. We got this downward trend line here that ends on the 25th of May, that if this pattern continues. But it looks like we're, again, having a green day on this stock. Looks like we hit about a high of $2.54. Yeah, somewhere around there, $2.50. The middle point of our channel is $2.90. We'll see what's going on with the patterns there to see if we're going to buy, sell, or hold. Our position is at $3.25, a little bit above, a little higher than the middle of the channel. Not horrible, not great. I'd say we're okay where we're at, but definitely do want to average down. So if we hit $4.21 on the top of this channel, we will sell 20%. And then if we hit the yellow brick road at $4.73, this will probably be closer to like $5. We'll definitely sell at least 20% and try and average down towards the bottom of this channel here. So I want to show you guys this chart over here. They had a nice parabolic growth there, and I want to show you guys this right here. A lot of people are calling this a cup and handle pattern from February 18th to November 24th, 2020 here. I would not call this a cup and handle because there's a lot of spikes right here, right? If anything, if this was a cup and handle, I would say the cup is right here and the handle is right here on this, because I've been getting asked, is this a cup and handle? This whole thing is not. I would say it's not, just because we've had these parabolic moves up in the middle of the cup here. Usually what you see is it'll kind of go like this and then make its way up on a cup and handle. You can call it a cup and handle, but it's really not, unless you use this point here on January 14th as the end of the cup and the beginning of the handle here, and then that parabolic move up as well. Just something that somebody had commented and I wanted to respond to. But anyways, this is where we're at with our 4 stocks. Again, guys, this is a long-term process. It's going to take at least a year for us to hopefully hit our mark, and even then it's not a guarantee, but I wanted to give you guys an update. I know it's been a while, and yeah, just have some patience. These companies should continue to grow. XNET is very young. ZOM is very young. I would say DPW and ANTE are both kind of, DPW and ANTE, they're not young, but they don't have a lot of institutional investors invested in them yet, at least not a large share of their portfolio, which is actually really good. I've said this in the old video, but the smaller amount of, the less institutional investors there are, that means that they can't control the price of the stock, because even with the amount of shares that they have, it'll only drop, a certain percentage if they were to sell everything they had, right? So that's good. Anyways, that's our update for the WEBULL account. I hope you guys gained value from this. Again, if you liked the video, if you found it useful, please give it a like, a share, a thumbs up, something. Anyways, until the next video, thank you guys for watching, and let's make those gains. Peace.